the miracle of the day, before vacation. Hello, this is one shot to the future. Think about the day before you go on a long vacation. You are suddenly a productivity machine. You finish 3 weeks of work in 8 hours. You clean the house, pack your bags, and answer every email. How is this possible? Did you suddenly get smarter? No, you simply had a non-negotiable deadline. This proves Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill the time available for its completion. If you give yourself 30 days to clean your house, it will take 30 days. If you give yourself 30 minutes, it will take 30 minutes. You are not busy. You just gave yourself too much time. Work is like a gas. Think of your work like a gas. If you put a small amount of gas into a giant container, the gas expands to fill the entire space. Your tasks do the same. If you allot 8 hours for a 2-hour task, your brain will subconsciously slow down. You will check your phone, take long coffee breaks, and polish things that don't need polishing to fill the 8 hours. Time abundance is the enemy of focus. Create artificial urgency. Elon Musk famously said, "If you give yourself 30 days to clean your home, it will take 30 days. But if you give yourself 3 hours, it will take 3 hours." To achieve greatness, you must create artificial urgency. Look at your deadline. Now cut it in half. If you think it takes a week, force yourself to do it in 3 days. This creates pressure, and pressure forces you to enter a flow state. It forces you to ignore the trivial many, the 80%, and focus only on the vital few, the 20%. Your brain becomes sharper when the clock is ticking. Diamonds are made under pressure. Stop saying, "I need more time." You need less time. Tighten the container. Compress the gas. That pressure turns coal into diamonds. Don't wait for the last minute. Bring the last minute to now. Set a timer for 60 minutes. Finish that project before the alarm rings. In the next video, we will discuss how to optimize your biology for endless energy. The power of sleep and biology. Thank you. This was one shot to the future.